180 or a 360 temperature sensor by using a servo and a thermometer. Here, right here, this is the prototype. The code is in the documentation, as is the schematics. As you can see, here's the push button, as well as the ground wire for the push button, this is the ground wire, the digital input for the push button, and the power, or the 5-volt for the push button. Right here, this is the servo. Of course, as I said, this is a prototype, so everything's very tiny. It's on an Arduino board. Right here, this is the laser sensor, which is supposed to read back into the temperature sensor, although it is not, the temperature sensor itself is not on the board. So basically this works by, when I press the push button, what happens is, did I mess this up? All right, so basically what happens is the servo goes slowly in 180 degrees. Let me push it again. And as you can see, the laser is activated, and it basically slowly goes through in order to ensure for accuracy. And then after a delay of 1 second, so you can see it goes back. Then a delay of 1 second, it slowly snaps back, or quickly snaps back into position. And so that's meant to allow it to have quick reuse. So basically, the sensor is pointing this way right now. And so the people being measured would be on the left of it, your right, my left. And so what would happen is it would slowly go in and measure everyone that's in front of it and their temperatures, and then quickly snap back in. That's basically it. Let me disconnect it for now so I can show you it in more detail. So this right here is the prototype. Here's the wiring. This is the breadboard.